it's Ker-Leen and you are watching Lemomlife. Today I wanted to share with you a mini haul with some bags that I got for my birthday. So these are two of my newest vintage bags. I've never done vintage bag shopping. I used to thrift a lot back in the day and I still do occasionally, but this is my first time shopping for vintage luxury, and so I was super excited. I decided to grab these bags for my birthday and I wanted to share them with you in this video. I do apologize if I sound funny. I may even look different to some of you, but I just had my wisdom teeth removed. I'm still pretty swollen and sore, so it's kind of hard to talk sometimes. So the first bag I wanted to share with you all is my Dior clutch evening bag. So I scored this maybe like over a month ago, and I purchased it from an eBay seller that is based in Japan, and this was shipped to me in 3 days, and it was an amazing experience. It was really smooth, and I'm grateful for that. I love this red Dior Trotter print. I think it's so classic and so chic, and it's a pop of color, so you know, you can do a lot of interesting things with this style wise. So after doing some research, I figured this bag is from the 1970s, and I also did a lot of research to authenticate this bag. I'm pretty sure this is authentic. It comes with this gold hardware. Now this gold chain that it has on it, I actually purchased from Amazon. So I removed the chain it came with and I placed this one on it so that it would have more of an evening feel, and I took this with me on my 10-year wedding anniversary. I'm actually wearing the same dress I wore to dinner that night, and I wore this handbag with it, and it was so cute. The interior is just leather on the inside. You may notice that the logo, I don't know if you can see that, but the logo is kind of scratched. Because I'm a germaphobe, so when I got this bag I had to make sure I cleaned it, and not just cleaned it, but I disinfected it because I just couldn't get over the thought that it was so old and used. So I did go ahead and do that, which scratched off the logo a little bit, but that's fine. It's old, super old bag. I even did some research on the zipper manufacturer, and I found that this is the zipper manufacturer that they had in the 1970s, which is another reason why I believe this is authentic. So I am loving this print. The bag feels very substantial, very thick canvas material, and the chain was just like, it just added that oomph to the bag. This bag did have a couple stains which I tried to scrub out, and in the process I caused the bag to bleed a little bit, which is fine. You can't really tell unless you're super duper up close. For the price I paid, this is fantastic. So yes guys, that's the first one. The second one I got not too long ago. I maybe got it like last week or something.
To join a network of mommies that inspire each other every single week, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
I was so excited about getting this bag. It's this bag right here. This is my Fendi baguette in the Zuka print. I watched a few YouTubers that raved about this Zuka print, and the baguette is so iconic that I had to have it. So I was on the hunt for it, and I actually purchased it from the same seller as my Dior handbag. This is it right here. I am loving this. This bag is pretty substantial. It is definitely authentic. I can check off every single thing on this one because it's a more recent bag. It came in near excellent condition. Like the hardware was not scratched up. The only thing was with both of the bags is they had a slight odor, which with the first bag, the Dior bag, it's definitely worn away over time. This one is very slight. I can barely notice it. This one came in nearly perfect condition. I have some things on the inside now, so I'm not gonna go into that. But if you guys want to see a what's in my bag for either of these bags, let me know. This bag fits so much, you would not believe by how it looks, but this definitely is going to be a bag that I just grab and go when I'm out with the kids because it's very durable. It doesn't get stained very easily, and it fits a ton. So I wore it today and I took some photos and I'm in love with it. Yeah, so this is gonna be like an everyday bag for me, but everyday in style. If you guys want to see what fits in my bag for this one, let me know. And if you want to see any videos, like review videos on either of these handbags, you can let me know and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. I just wanted to share these latest purchases with you guys. I did go a little crazy this year for my birthday, but I'm now on hold. With the things I have in my collection, I plan on wearing them in so many different ways. I have already started to do that, and I just love everything that I've purchased. I take a lot of time to research these items and make sure they're exactly what I want and they fit my lifestyle, and when I get them, I definitely enjoy them. If you're not already subscribed and you think you might enjoy my content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell is important. You don't want to miss my uploads. Click the video up above to keep watching.